Hey, I'm Anurag, and you are listening to Dev Bytes, a brand new show on fascinating facts for developers. Computers have been around for a long time. The earliest computers came with their own set of physical controls and levers to program the room sized machines. They were exclusively designed for the military and academia. As computers transformed into how we see them today and became generally available, formal systems to control them appeared, developed mostly in research labs and universities. At first, we had low level languages such as assembly. As computers reached the masses, the case for high level languages became stronger. So, which was the first programming language? Was it Fortran? Was it assembly? Or was it something even older? As with most things in the history of computers, the answer is not straightforward. Technically, the procedure developed by Charles Babbage for his analytical engine, or the system of punch cards developed by Joseph Jacquard for his looms, should be the first languages. However, they were too specific and low level. The first high level programming language was Plan Calcul, designed by German civil engineer Konrad Zuse between 1942 and 1945. Unlike machine code, Plan Calcul statements represented mathematical expressions rather than machine instruction. Shortcode, another high-level language created by the designers of ENIAC, followed shortly. ENIAC, if you remember, was the first programmable electronic computer. In 1952, Alec Glennie developed autocode, which some consider to be the first compiled programming language. By compiled, I mean it could be translated directly into machine code, making it faster than its predecessors. The distinction for the first widely used and commercially available high-level programming language goes to Fortran, invented at IBM in 1954. As per the TOBE index, it remains one of the most popular programming languages in active use even today. The first English-like languages started appearing toward the end of 1950s. Lisp and COBOL, developed in 1958 and 1959, were the first successful languages of this kind. The languages that are familiar to us today appeared much, much later. For perspective, C didn't come out until 1972. And Python, Visual Basic, Java, and PHP started appearing as recently as the 1990s. If you liked this week's episode, please support me by liking, subscribing, or sharing. Until next time, adios!